Is your garage door hanging off its hinges, refusing to shut properly, or looking dangerously unstable? This problem can occur if the door has been forcibly opened, or if its parts have worn out or broken. Not addressing this can lead to further damage and potential safety hazards. If you're in the Kiama Downs area and facing this issue, it's crucial to act quickly. Call us at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to expertly repair your garage door and ensure it's securely in place. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Call us now for reliable service.